Start recording. Stop recording button.
Here's the Guardian again. But you can hear my root cipher. I mean, you can hear the root cipher as well. Yeah, tell me how like the Guardian sounds. Sounds pretty cool. I think it's gotta be from 2017, and that's gotta be a 4-ton. I can't open the shade too much because my mom is gonna be worried.
Landscape. Home button to the left. Back
I
button.
can't. Tell me how it sounds. I have to be careful because
Portrait.
I might mess up the shade, but Guardian's doing good. Yeah, it's doing pretty good. I think it does have a scroll compressor due to its sound when it's running, and the root cipher is running. How you like the sound of that Guardian, Andrew? Please read the description on YouTube when you open the channel on Instagram, and call me once my video, this video over here, is uploaded. Also, yeah, my root cipher, the root cipher on my apartment complex. Also, the 1998 root cipher that you got a video of sounds exactly like the one in my apartment complex, I should say. And the Guardian's doing good. 2017 4-ton with a scroll compressor. I was close to the condenser, but I didn't even film a video of this one, of the Guardian. Also, my root achiever may be gonna start up with a scroll compressor and